Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I remain your favorite tea girl and your spicy madam. So today I'm going to talk about rose petals and the role they play in beauty and wellness industry. First and foremost, this is for specifically for small business owners or those of you that want to play around with ingredients you can find close to you. So let me first of all tell you that rose petals are great for your skin. They help reduce inflammation, tighten, tone, nourish and soothe your skin. They are perfect for treating sunburns, rosacea, acne and other skin issues due to their cooling effect. So today I want to tell you that rose petals are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Rose petals are good for dry and mature skin. They fight damage and improve skin tone. Yes, so rose petals also support the heart when you are drinking them as tea or incorporating them in any of your beverages. Rose petals are great for digestion. Their cooling astringent properties help to soothe inflammation in the digestive tract, benefiting conditions like IBS and leaky gut. Yes, it is also good for your gut health. And some of you will be wondering, okay, where do you source your rose petals? I want to tell you that I source my rose petals from the florists around me, that is those that plant flowers around me. I also source my rose, fan of the dried rose petals gotten in Ojota market, although you can get good ones as well. So if you have a plug that can give you freshly dried rose petal, is okay. So you can also buy from your florist, like all these people that plant flowers around. Ask them, they will show you what rose petals is. Then at the same time, you can buy online, like website from Mountain Rose. You can check on Gigi. You can check on Jumia, Konga and the rest of them. Yes, you can get rose petals from that, but it's quite pricey. I advise you check out those flourish around, or particularly from Gigi. All right, so rose is a delicate plant, yet strong herb. Yes, it's more than just a pretty flower with a lovely scent. You know, rose smells so nice. And you guys always say, why am I calling rose petals? Rose is of two types. We have red rose, we have pink rose. Yes, so people have been using rose petals in various creative ways for a long time. You can find them in teas, syrups and honey, making them perfect for adding a special touch to drinks. Nowadays, as botanicals are becoming more popular, you can see rose being used in all sorts of products like vinegar, kombucha, jams, chocolates, sparkling wine, teas, scrub, soak bath and so many products, candles as well. So today we are going to tell you how rose petals can benefit you. So using rose petals internally is one way to get it. Skincare is one of the most amazing ways to experience the health benefits of rose petals, including the wellness benefit as well. You can use rose petal in cosmetic industry. You can have rose candle, rose oatmeal bath. I will put up the link where you can learn how to make some products with rose petals. Okay, so in cosmetic industry you can use dried rose to infuse in oil. There is what we call rose water for your facial toner. We have rose soap, we have rose lotions and other skin and hair formulations you can use rose petals to do in your culinary in your cosmetic journey. Then when it comes to culinary, you use it to make your tea, your iced tea, your wine. There are so many things you can kombucha. There are so many things you can make with rose petal in food and beverage industry. And in terms of decoration, you can also use rose petals to make potpourri mix and so many other beauty stuff or decorative stuff. So when it comes to safety, aside you are allergic to it, generally rose products are very very okay, and they don't have any known safety concern apart from the normal allergy anyone can face. So when you try rose products, any of the rose products, and is okay for you, you go ahead and use it. Rose is very very nice, and there are also herbs that can pair very well with rose, like chamomile, like hortin, lavender. Lemon balm also pairs very well with rose petals. So today, for those in small businesses, I want to talk about starting your rose product business. First and foremost, there's what we call R&D. That's research and development. The first thing you need to do is to formulate your recipe, perfect your rose products, ensure the ingredients are of high quality, safe and beneficial for the skin. Test your products. You can conduct thorough testing with friends, family and potential customers to gather feedbacks and make necessary adjustments. Yes, we start from somewhere. Using customers' feedback, we improve. So when it comes to legal and regulatory considerations, you can't just wake up and start branding these products, because these are cosmetic and wellness products. So you are going to look at for the business structure. Decide on a business, whether you are going to use sole proprietorship or limited liability company, that's LLC. So you decide the one you want to use, but I would advise you go for LLC at the same time, because some of you run away from LLC because there is a little slightly higher than sole proprietorship. So sole proprietorship is limiting. So look out for the necessary permits and license, like you have your CAC, you have by CAC by Corporate Affairs Commission, your trademark by Ministry of Trade, Commerce and Investment. Then you have your NAFDAC. That is the most important thing, NAFDAC approval from NAFDAC. Okay, so then another thing you have to talk about is about labeling requirements. You have to label according to the regulatory standard or regulatory requirement. Then another one you have to look out for is branding and packaging. So your brand identity is very very important. You have to develop a very strong brand identity with a unique name, logo and tagline. Yes, then another thing you have to talk about is packaging and your design. So design attractive and functioning packaging that preserves the quality of your product and appeals to your target audience. Sometimes the color, how you brand your products can actually attract, like your packaging can really really attract customers or buyers, and you make them curious because they want to know, they want to buy. Let me even see this packaging looks so fine, or this product looks so fine. Sometimes what people buy is packaging, so you never know. So it's branding, packaging design is very very important. Then we talk about your initial investment and budgeting, because you have to make your budget and know your startup cost or your startup capital. So you have to calculate your initial investment, including raw materials, packaging materials and all these legal fees from regulatory bodies. Then create a detailed budget to manage your finances and plan for unforeseen expenses. Then another one is about growing your rose product business. Marketing and promotion, it is they are very very paramount. Okay, because you can use social media, you can use content marketing, you can use influencer collaboration. Then we talk about sales channel. What are the channels you are going to use to sell your products? Are you going to have an online store, website, or you are going to sell using your social media platforms, or you are going to sell into a local market, get a store in the market or on the street or in a mall? And at the same time, are you going to what are you going to collaborate with retail stores. Like, we also talk about customer engagement. You have to provide excellent customer service to build loyalty and encourage repeat purchase. That is how if you have a very good product and you have good customer service, trust me, customers will keep coming back. So another thing we need to talk about, I've talked about customer feedback before. Always seek customer feedback and use it to improve your products and services. All right, you can also create loyalty programs or subscription service to retain your customers. Yes, once in a while give them discounts, once in a while give them buy one buy two, but calculate your cost and your profit before you do all of that. Then selling your rose products are business and product line expansion. You can have varieties. Once you start and the business is moving well, you create more products with different flavors, scents and ingredients to cater for wider audience. Yes, then another thing is complementary products. Like, you can expand your product line to include complementary items like bath oil, scrub, teas, rose scrub, rose water, rose oil, candles and some other related products. Okay, then when it comes to operation and efficiency, you need to invest in automation for production, packaging and inventory management rather, okay, to increase efficiency. And another one is distribution network. You have to partner with distribution network to reach a broader market, including international customers. There is nothing wrong with exporting. You can earn more money by exporting your product. So scaling market efforts, invest in online advertising, Google ads, Facebook, Instagram and the rest of them. Then public relation is also good. You can engage in public relation efforts to get featured in beauty magazines. Hello my people. So some people were asking me that is there any herbs they can use to moisturize. All right, this particular product I'm using here has what they call Bulgarian rose. It means that it has some rose extract in it. Yes, Bulgarian rose extract that will soothe and it soothes and softens the skin. All right, so that is what I'm using as my moisturizer. Why many herbs can help you achieve beautiful healthy glow. Rose and calendula seem to be among the favorite herbal ingredients for hydrating skin. This product is hydrating. Yes. So the calendula flower, also known as marigold, has been used for centuries for healing. Yes, in modern, like those of you that have bad skin, it can also heal your skin. So in modern time, it has been primarily used as an effective way to treat dry, chapped or sunburned skin. Yes, so rose petals astringent qualities are beneficial for toning, tightening and nourishing the skin. Rose can be infused into oil and made into soothing rose face masks, or even to make a rose petal milk oat bath. All right, so for extra nourishing and moisturizing properties, there are so many things you can use rose petal for. Since it's versatile, it can be found as an ingredient in so many different beauty products. So rose petal is here for you. It's been here for centuries, it's been here for ages, and it is very, very lovely. It is soothing. You can